be. You're welcome to NG Space. My name is Ngozi and you're welcome to my space. So today guys, I don't know, I ordered a big item 4 weeks ago and I was told to book a day of delivery, which I did, and I had to take off today from work. Could you imagine? This morning got a text message from this delivery whatever people that are supposed to deliver my item today, that they are unable to locate it from the warehouse. Could you imagine? How does that sound? I don't want to let that delivery postpone my day. This is my vlogmas day 12, okay? So no spoiler in this one. I'm just going to go ahead and make wrap for my kids. So I'm just going to get the prep ready and you guys are doing that with me. So I'm going to go ahead and get my peppers ready for my wrap meal for dinner. Yes, it's so annoying, you know. I've been expecting this item for the past how many weeks now, and they're asking me to rebook another day. But what they don't understand is whether I have that extra day for them to do delivery. So the delivery is going to be on my terms now. That will be after work, after 5:30. That's the only time they can deliver, because the day, which is today, that they were supposed to deliver my item, they ended up not. And like I said, I took annual leave today, so I don't have any other day to take. All the other days that I've taken are booked, so the delivery has to be on my own terms, okay? And that will be after work, after 5:30. So let me just carry on. It's already late and I need to get this done as quick as possible, okay? Yeah. Prank. Onion. Powdered ginger. Powdered garlic, all half a teaspoon. Blended Nigerian pepper. I'm just going to stir that. 2 minutes later, I'll put my chicken. There, and some soya sauce, so I'll just put 2 tablespoons, 1 and 2. I'm going to go ahead and get my wrap for the day. So this is the dinner for tonight. So the chicken is almost ready. Put on my 3. You know, I wanted to put my Christmas tree up today if I had my delivery. I was expecting my Italian sofa to arrive today, but I don't know what happened. It didn't turn up, so I just have to wait. I don't know when they will deliver. Like I said, it's going to be on my terms, because it has to be when I'm off work. Yeah, so that's the wrap we're using today. I'll put that in the microwave. My sauce is ready. Oshe ready. So that's me done for today. And like I said, I'm not going to get angry because my delivery didn't come. It's okay. I have to make dinner for my kids and myself. So if you stayed up to this point, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and why do you just watch and pass? Subscribe now. Just turn on that bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.